Alright, I'm going to try to compete with this AI. So this ChatGPT made this sketch over here based on a prompt, and I'm going to try to recreate this. So we'll say go into WebGL mode, and then for let I equal 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and then for let j equal 0, j less than 5, j plus plus, and then we'll do a push and a pop to create a new drawing context so that we don't get effects like translation effects carrying over. And we'll translate I minus 2 times 100, and then j minus 2 times 100, and then we'll draw a box 50, and we want no fill, and let's see how that looks. Boom. We'll make the background white, and we'll make the stroke a bit heavier. It's a bit too heavy. 2. Sweet. And then let's give it a little bit of a spin. So we'll say rotate X, and I'll do a little counter here. Say let counter equal 0, and at the end of the loop we're going to do counter. And we can maybe, I have an idea for what we're going to do in a second. Counter plus equals 0.01, some small value to get this to just rotate. And then we're going to rotate by counter, rotate X by counter, and maybe rotate Y by counter as well. Let's see what that looks like. Nice. And I think we want to go the other way, maybe. There might be an illusion. Maybe you can like get it to flip in your head. Cool. All right, we're pretty close. I want to move everything away from the camera a little bit. So we're going to add a Z component to this. And I think we can go the other way. There we go. Okay. That's pretty cool. I was thinking we could maybe put this in here. And you get that sort of cascading effect because the rotation is different for every one because you're putting it in one of the loops. But yeah, that's the idea.